Hey folks, welcome to Greg Morton Outdoors. Short video today, and unfortunately I'm having to shoot down in my basement, so you might hear some noise in the background. Well, that's the fan on the furnace for the central air. I got contacted by a company called Aksoul, A-K-S-O-U-L, about doing a review on, well, basically they have a tiny pump to use for your inflatable mattresses, and they said that they would send me one and I'd do a review on it. I'm not gonna be a shill for some Chinese company, and that's just a personal thing. They're the #1 polluter in the world. They still employ child labor. They pay their workers crap, and let's face it, their industry standards are lackluster. I don't know if you guys remember, but they exported children's toys with toxic paint on them. They sent us chicken snacks for our dogs that were poisonous. And well, I'm sure all of you remember, that thing that they sent us here somewhat recently, COVID-19. So I'm not a big fan of supporting any Chinese companies myself, but I told these guys, yeah, I'd do a review on their product, but and I'll do a review on it, but I'm going to give this away to one of you guys. And here's the box. Kind of cracks me up. It says all for freedom. These guys wouldn't know freedom if it bit them in the ass. But the fact that they can't frickin' spell English, this says portable electric air pimp. Air pimp. That sounds like Snoop Dogg on his Cessna. Anyway, we'll take a look at the air pimp here. So, nice box. Open it up. First thing in here is a little thank you thingy. I guess it's got the warranty in there that you can activate it. Next thing is the actual pump itself, and this is just like all the other tiny pumps out there you've seen for air mattresses. So you press it twice on the bottom here. There you go. It sucks the air in here and blows it out there. And if you press and hold, there you go. One light, next brightness, and the red disco party emergency light. So there you go. So that's a nice little box it came in. Take the little divider out here. We've got an instruction manual and another part here. Pull that out. Little carrying bag that it's got a charging cable in there, and it's got all the attachments that you need to blow up your air mattress. So there you go. Works the same as all the other ones that are out there on the market. I don't want this thing. Personally, I would rather use a pump sack than using one of these. Pump sacks are a lot lighter. You don't have to charge them. Plus, the majority of the pump sacks out there can also double as a dry bag or a waterproof bag. So on those times when you're out there backpacking and it's going to be a heavy downpour day, that's great. You got your pack liner, you got your contractor bag or compactor bag. If you want to be extra sure to make sure your quilt doesn't get wet, you can stick that in your pump sack to be doubly sure, and put that inside of your pack liner. All right, so there we go. I didn't lie. I did my review of this Chinese thing right here, the Aksoul mini pump, or the portable electric air pimp. If you want this air pimp, then please comment below. Just say I want it, and I'll do a random drawing here within the next week or so. But yeah, no, I'll send this out to you. I don't want it, and Yeah, I'll take their free crap just so I can give it to you guys, because I don't want you going out there and buying it. All right, there we go. So, like I said, comment below. Just say I want it, and I'll enter you into the drawing, and then we'll go from there. All right, folks. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching, and good luck to all of you winning the Air Pimp.